learnings. So three major learnings from the building of this framework. Now, the first really being around the fact that application of machine learning in maintenance requires embedding of domain knowledge to be successful. So we're really advocating this bottoms-up approach, combining with the mechanics of failure. The second is around the adoption of such a tool. Now, within the project team, we had a number of change management staff members who helped with the adoption of the tool. So such a tool obviously is new to the engineering workflow and requires significant cultural change. So this is not to be underestimated. And the third element there, just to finish on, is that the use of these digital accelerators like SigOpt is really critical for developing and maintaining such a tool. So really training a number like 200 LSTMs would not have been possible without such a tool.